to remind you that if you are at school on Friday, you have this exact activity on paper. So if you'd prefer not to have to use all of the slides for your writing especially, remember you have a piece of paper. So what you're going to do today is you're going to think about air. You're going to think about how air is all around us all the time. And we're going to use air to understand how it can take up space and it has mass. And we're going to have to think about that when we experiment today. So the first experiment that you're going to do is you're going to take the piece of paper you took home with you, or any piece of paper at all. You're going to hold it above your head, and then you're going to drop it, and you're going to watch what happens as it falls. If you want, you could even hold it up and drop it a couple of times. While it falls, really notice what you see, and then think about how you could describe the way that it falls. And you're going to answer that question for the first question. What do you notice about the falling? And then the second question, you're going to have to think about this one. Why do you think it falls or moves the way that it moves? And use your own words to describe that movement. After that, you are going to have to use your computer to go to a book on Epic. I want you to pay attention to the directions that say to use pages 4 through 7. So when you go to this book, it's a long book. You only need to go to pages 4 through 7. So when you go there, you'll be able to answer these 3 questions. What is matter? What is mass? And what is volume? So use the story to help you answer these correctly. Again, you have the paper, so that way you wouldn't have to go back and forth between tabs. Your final slide is just for fun. It's a video about the states of matter to have a little fun for dancing if you want. But the first 2 slides are the most important with the questions, and then you can take a picture of your work and add it to any of these slides that you want.